And nobody says this. It's the easiest thing in the world to do. This is like, man, I wish I could like patent this. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Bobby Balo, the mixing and mastering engineer at Raytown Productions, and welcome to my channel. If you're looking to level up the quality of your home studio, you came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite trick in the entire world for making your music sound massive. It's so simple to use, and it works for any genre. I know you guys are going to love it. All right, let's hop into the video. Here's another little weird, secret, fun plugin I love to use. It's called Center by Waves. I don't know when I found out about this, but it's like kind of a simple, dumb plugin. You could probably find a free version that does like something similar out there. But let me show you. I want to add a little bit more width. This is like the simplest way of doing it, and nobody talks about doing it this way. You can add width a few ways when you're mastering a song. You can use a stereo enhancer where you're altering like EQ balance and mid-side. You do a lot of this weird technical crap. And what ends up happening is when you close your eyes and listen to the song, it sounds like it's unnaturally wide. It's hard to see a band. Like it's like, oh, there's the guitar player, but the guitar player is also wrapping around my head. And so like anytime I use a stereo enhancer, you know, it's unnatural. And to me, I would really say, you know, be careful using one of those because it'll do weird things to the image, especially on transients. So like your snare can like just disappear. In terms of this plugin, this is really simple. This breaks it down into anything that's mono is in the center channel. Anything that is not mono is on the sides. And we're literally just going to increase the volume of the sides. That's it. And you won't believe how much wider the mix sounds. But you got to be careful because you're going to turn up anything that's on the sides, and very quickly you can overpower the stuff in the middle, which is usually the most important. So if we just pull this up, watch how the whole thing just starts getting huge, but it's still coherent. Oh man, isn't that cool? But now the vocals are a lot quieter with respect to everything in the mix. I'm going to check it in mono. We want to make sure that when it's in mono, the vocals are still louder than the sides. So if the guitars sound like now they're on top of the vocals, then the sides are too loud. So that's like a really cool trick for balancing this stuff when, you know, it's really hard to tell sometimes when you're listening to it in stereo. See, the guitars are now on top of the vocalist, right? Now vocals out front. And then right around here is like the magic spot where the vocals are still in front, but it sounds like we took the acoustic guitar and pulled it right next to the singer. So I'm going to leave it like that, bring it back into stereo. The mix is super wide and it sounds awesome and we didn't do anything. Yeah, listen to how big it gets, right? We'll get the vocals back in here. Man, it's the simplest trick in the entire world. Cheers. There you go. To wider mixes.
The beat and the feet to feel it. My confidence is straight to the ceiling. So you can say that you see they couldn't take the cool nights. Your clothes when it's dark, so take